Hey, mis amores, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Hey, my loves. So, y'all, we got a natural cutie. You can't tell me this her ain't mine. You can't tell me these kinky twists ain't mine. They mine, okay? Look like they straight growing out of a sis's scalp, okay? Oh, yeah. So if you want to get all the tea on sis right here, girl, don't you go nowhere. Sit right there. We about to get into this. Before we move on, y'all, I want to give you a chance to make it official and join the fam. It is free 99. Don't cost nothing, okay? Settle nothing. Nada. Free. Come on, queens. Come join the fam. I need to have you in my life. All you got to do is press that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the alert bell. That way you won't miss out on anything we got going on. So, without further ado, and we're about to get into this. All right, y'all. Let's get the tea on this girl right here that I'm wearing. So, I copped this girl right here on Amazon. Yes, another Amazon find. I'm super excited, y'all. I got this also, this shirt, Melanin Queen from Amazon. I will include the link for y'all below because your girl ain't trying to hold back. I want y'all to look good too, okay? Not good, but good, okay? I want y'all to be fine. Fine. So, anyway, y'all, let me get the stock card. So here's the stock card. So this is a Kalyss or Kalyss, but I think it's Kalyss. Looking at this picture, I would think it would be Kalyss because that's kind of modern, you know, as far as like a name would be. So I've reviewed a few, like I've purchased a few of their wigs, but I've never gotten one like this. So this is a frontal wig, as you can see. So the lace is only like up in the front part. Y'all will see when I actually show y'all when I unpackage this girl right here. When I unpackage this chica, I show you everything from pretty much taking her all the way out of the package, what she looked like under the cap. Y'all, she does have a black elastic head, like the little band, to help secure her better. I don't have I didn't change the adjustable strap, but it does have adjustable straps. So I didn't have to do anything. She is pretty big head friendly, I would say. I got quite a bit of room. I got some inches under this cap. Y'all know I have a short TWA that you're gonna be rocking. Y'all will see that I popped some of this gold spray, and I'll try to link that below. This Jerome Russell, y'all remember that? We used to wear those microwave ponytails back in high school, y'all. And we used to spray like the burgundy or the gold. This is gold. So, you know, I just added just a little touch of color throughout. I thought it would spice her up. You gotta customize these girls and make them your own. You ain't gotta just throw a wig on. She does have baby hairs. Some little kinky little things, y'all. So the baby hairs look like that. It's actually kinky little hair. So they're not super long. That's what I like about it. You just nip the little ends off and you're good to go. And whoop. Y'all, you know I be doing my little swoops. So we're getting our grown woman, our grown and sexy on with the swoop. So yeah, y'all, I think she is adorable. In the back, it's not lace. She's pretty much like, you know how a wig would be and you see like just tracks going in a row. That's how she's in the back. Top is a frontal. You can't see none of that anyway. I pulled up some of the little pieces right there in the front. I put just a tad of makeup. I have a nude cap underneath. Yeah, I put just a little bit of makeup, but I use hair pins, little bobby pins, just to pull up a few in the middle, just to kind of, you know, style her up a little bit, whatnot. I got these little accessories, little twist or braid accessories from Amazon as well. Super affordable, y'all, very cheap and affordable. But I like, you see the little leaf and the little shell. Some of them are like this. They're silver. There are gold ones. if I can find it. I see a gold one somewhere. Here you go, gold. So I just kind of did a little remix. Remix. Ow. Yeah, y'all, I'm feeling super good. I did a little, I was trying out this little brow marker, like a brow tattoo pen from this company. I think it's called iMethod Beauty. But I'm gonna put the little video on Instagram, so go follow your girl on Instagram. Also TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, holla at me. One. But she's super cute. You can't tell me these kinky twists ain't mine. You heard me? Yeah, baby. This would be perfect if I was down there in Louisiana with the fam. But y'all, she's cute for a vacation. She's cute for everyday wear. Very, very natural looking. Perfect for a little natural tee like what I'm rocking today. See, I got the girl on there with the fro. Yeah. So y'all, pretty straightforward. Density is fabulous. Perfect. The hair is very kinky, as kinky twist would be. But like I said, I just added the gold and the accessories. A little bit of makeup in the front. Laid these little baby hairs, laid the edges down. And that's pretty much what you get, okay? I'm gonna link all the info below. Cop this sis. If y'all get her, I want to see pics. Tag me in some pics, y'all. Get below in the comments. Mingle with me. You know I love that. And I hope you found this video helpful, especially all of you chicas out there that love the natural hairstyles, all the naturalistas, because I am natural. I have, like I said, a curly little TWA. At first, y'all, it was like a fade. So like I was definitely a bald and beautiful, a baldy baddie, whatever you want to call it. That's what your girl was doing, okay? I was on a whole nother level. Yeah. So y'all, I hope y'all like her. I'm gonna show y'all left side, right side, center, and to the back. So she's super cute, very natural looking. There's not much that I don't like about sis. She's not heavy, very lightweight. The length is perfect, okay? Perfecto. So I love, 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 love. Definitely, okay? Check out how I styled her. And I'm gonna let y'all vibe to the jams, you know what I'm saying? Ow, ow, yeah. Vibe to the music. I hope y'all like the music and stuff I've been putting up and stuff for y'all. Please share this video. Y'all sharing is definitely caring. Get your mothers, your sisters, cousins, best friends, everybody to come subscribe and join the LAL fam. Y'all, growth is not possible without y'all. I need y'all. We need each other. Let's build the fam and just really be there for one another. I hope y'all have a fabulous week. Y'all been working hard, so I set time aside to film before I had to work today. So I hope y'all really enjoy this video. I'm super excited because this is my peace. This is my therapy. This is my joy, my channel. I do what I love. And so even though it is work, I kind of see it differently. You know what I mean? It's like an escape away from, you know, when you just need to get your mental right, you know. And y'all know I'm really big on mental health, being a therapist. So anywho, how y'all, I hope everything is going well during the course of this pandemic still spreading. But y'all be safe, do something positive for somebody. Your girl loves you. I'm gonna catch you in the next video in a few days. So love ya, bye bye, adios mis amores. Mwah. Bye y'all.
Yeah. I haven't seen you in a while. I never thought you'd be so wild. Things are moving way too fast, why don't we slow down? Yeah, moving just like we used to. Baby, it's time to let loose now. Step back, deep breaths now, before things get out of control. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. You always been on my mind, ever since I left your side. Yeah, I regret it oh so much, I hope you forgive me, yeah. Don't even care what they saying. We got this bond, so let's face it. Looking different now, so maybe this time things will work. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time?
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté ¿qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita? Eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática la luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si te perreas más me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así bien, bien mami, te doy con gusto toda la vuelta. Fresca como la playa de Miami, conmigo mami tú estás